How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be sending money abroad over here to Argentina. I'm going to show you my process of how I get my US dollars and exchange it to pesos Argentinian. I showed a couple times on my channel before the process that I do, but it's always good to show an updated version of it, different ways that I go about it. So I still have not sent the money yet. I'm going to be doing that right now. Up on this road that I'm at here, there is a McDonald's and it has pretty good Wi-Fi, so I'm going to be using that there in order to send it, because the data plan that I have here is still connected to the United States, so my data is horrible. So I'm going to stop at the McDonald's, steal some Wi-Fi, and do the Western Union transaction from there, and then show the different places where you could pick up Western Union transfers, the different types of locations that there is. It's a very weird day for Mar del Plata right now. It feels like it's very early in the morning. Like the movement is very quiet on Peatonal San Martin. Well, also because in this area here, a lot of people go down to like the beach at this time during the summer. So everybody's over there. But yeah, it is 3:15 and it is very, very calm. Here's the McDonald's now. Oh, it is nice and cold in here. All right, I'm here in the McDonald's right now. It's very hectic, very loud. I don't know how the audio is coming out, but I just finished doing the transfer. Very straightforward. I already have the account set up with all my information, my debit card and stuff. So the only thing you really have to pay attention to when you are sending money to yourself is that the exact name on your passport needs to match exactly with the person, which is yourself, who's going to be receiving the money. Because if it's off by one little thing, like I have a situation with my driver's license where it has a different name than what it is on my passport. So I have to make sure that it's the same name as my passport, because here in Argentina and most places when you are abroad, they're only going to want your passport in situations like that. So make sure that the name is exactly the same there. And in general, very straightforward. I like Western Union a lot more than other different platforms because it's really fast, it's instant. So I just sent the money now and literally minutes later I can go and pick it up at a Western Union. It's the most accepted in many, many different countries. There's going to be a Western Union in some way or another. So Western Union for me has been the most straightforward way. And like I said, there are different ways, but I haven't really tried it just because there is not too much of a reason to. The only thing about the Western Union is that it charges sometimes pretty crazy fees. So I wanted to send $150, and to send $150 here, it was charging me a $9 fee just to send the money over. So I was pretty surprised on how much it has changed, because it used to be more of a percentage thing and it wasn't even that bad. So I ended up just sending $100 to get a $3 discount on the shipment. Yeah, very straightforward there. And it is almost the same exact exchange rate if I wanted to use just my debit card here. But the thing is I want cash. And to get cash, I have to go through that whole tejimaneja. I have to go through that whole situation just to get the cash with me. Just out of curiosity, I want to see how much the Big Mac is, because I know prices have gone up. $9,500 for the Big Mac just for the sandwich. And if I wanted to make it a combo, it is, where is it? Papa Fritas Grande. Right there. It is 11,000 pesos. I'll put it on the screen to how much it is, but you can see how expensive the Big Mac is. As of right now, Argentina has one of the most expensive Big Macs and one of the most expensive McDonald's in the entire South America, Latin America. Very, very expensive. And if not, it's probably one of the most expensive in all of the world right now with those prices. It used to be you can get one of the biggest burgers at the McDonald's for $4.60. I have a video that I showed. I got a massive, massive burger for very cheap on there. So crazy how much things have changed. I'm still very surprised on how empty it is right now. Really, everybody's literally at the beach. Even though there's some little drops of rain coming down, people are still taking advantage of the day. But we are on the way now to find a Western Union. So I wanted to quickly show that you're gonna find a bunch of Western Unions like this one here, where it's going to be a kiosk kind of thing. You're going to find in a lot of countries they're going to be offering Western Union services like this. These are the more smaller ones that they kind of like, people come into these areas here to pay their bills and stuff, so they offer Western Union services in order to get rid of some of like the cash that people bring in, and I don't know, it's like an easier way for them to deposit. And those ones there in general, they don't have too much money most of the time. I found that sometimes going there to pick up like $100 or something like that, they do not have enough cash in order to give you. Sometimes it's been getting better here in Argentina. They've been having more and more cash in those like smaller kiosks, but I found that one of the better ones to go to are the more official ones, like in this place over here is a pretty big official Western Union that is not big like as far as the store goes, but they have a lot of cash on them, and it's more like a mini little bank kind of thing. So very straightforward. I'm not going to go there yet because I still want to show a few more things here, and then that way I don't have too much cash on me. But one quick tip that I could recommend is do not keep your passport. This is my passport here. Do not keep your passport in your bag just because it's a little bit safer to have it like just away, just in case something happens with your bag, someone tries to take it or anything like that. You don't lose at least your passport. That's very important there. So whenever I go and pick up cash, I always make sure that I have my passport in my pocket. Here, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go in here, show you this Western Union, and I'm gonna see if I can take money out of a more smaller Western Union, not this one here. So similar to the one, actually go right across the street there to pick up the money, see what they say. And if they say that they can do the Western Union transfer, perfect. If not, I'll just cross the street back here and come and pick up at this one that I'm sure they got the money. And right now there's no line, which is very rare. So this is the smaller Western Union. I mean, it doesn't look too official from like any other like kiosk one, but that place got money. And in here you can see they sell a bunch of just like random stuff. So you have milanesas with chicken and like eggs and stuff that you could buy here. Then here they sell phone cases, screensavers, which I actually got to get a screensaver on my phone, but very, very random with some of the things that they sell. And you can see here they sell pastas. They got some, it looks like lasagna or meatballs ready to go. Gnocchi's really good. Very good pastas. So yeah, very random how these stores are just like put in here. It's like a mini mall, but like more for like a grocery store kind of mini mall style. Like they got another place here for chicken. They got a pet food place, a place where they sell like a bunch of random food, like dry food here, ketchup, probably mayonnaise. And then we're back over here. And then there's a pasta place and a carniceria right around the corner. So anyways, let me go out of here, across the street to that other Western Union. All right, so here we're gonna see what they say. Let's see here. Buenas. ¿Qué tal? Sí, para hacer un retiro de Western Union, ¿puede ser?
¿De cuánto?
Es de un poquito más de 100,000 pesos, es $100 que envié.
Decime el número de vehículo.
Sí, el número es 265 20.
¿Tenés fotocopia de tu documento?
Tengo el pasaporte. Tengo el pasaporte nada más. ¿Se podría hacer una fotocopia?
Le puedo hacer fotocopia, te tengo que cobrar hasta 200.
Está bien, sí, sí. Tengo un calorcito acá adentro.
Ah, sí.
Tremendo. Bueno, ya que estoy, me voy a comprar un agua. This one's good. Had a few people come in, so I just told the lady, give it a second, wait 1 minute, and then after the line dies down, finished a transaction from there, because you're a lot more in the open here and it's a little bit more uncomfortable of a situation, so better off just wait until it chills out. That way nobody really sees the transaction. I can continue walking a little bit more comfortably from there. Wow, that was a lot more complicated than what it would have been in the other location. The other location, I'm in and out in literally 2 minutes. In this situation here, nothing on the location or the girl or anything that was helping me out, but in general, they don't have as much experience with the Western Union. They don't have the money counters. They don't have the right scanners kind of thing, so they had to take a scan of my passport. So whole bunch of different situations there. I personally wouldn't use it if I have the better option, which is the bigger Western Union there. I would only use that in like emergency situations and things like that. But overall, I got the money. I got all single bills, so literally $100 in value, less than a $1 bill per each bill. So is 118 1,000 peso bills that I got from that location there. So I mean, it worked. I got my money, but it was a bit of a complicated situation. So as you can see, very straightforward process, the Western Union. There's a few little tricks, like I said, where you have to make sure that the location you're going to has the right amount of money. You have to make sure that the place you're going to kind of knows what they're doing with the Western Union services. But overall, very straightforward. I've done Western Union in multiple different countries. I've done it over in Brazil. I've done it in Costa Rica, in Mexico, of course here in Argentina. I've also done it in Spain. So very straightforward process, but man, these summers here in Argentina are none to joke around with. I'm all sticky right now with this humidity here, so I'm gonna cut the video off here. Hopefully I'm gonna get a haircut right now, see how that goes, and head back home. That is about it. I'll see you guys in a few days with a new video. Peace.